To determine the correct working end of the explorer on a posterior tooth, the lower shank should be parallel to the long axis of the tooth. The long axis of the tooth can be determined by drawing a straight line through the center of the tooth. So you want to be parallel with that imaginary line. The terminal shank of the instrument on this instrument has been colored black so that you can identify. So you can see that black part. The first thing you need to remember is that you must have a correct fulcrum before you try to determine the correct working end. You're going to be fulcrumed 1 to 4 teeth away. On the posterior, you're going to be a little more flat on your fulcrum. And I like to look at this on the straight buccal surface. Looking at 2 options. The other trick is to keep your fulcrum in the same position, same place, when you switch ends. Keeping my same fulcrum, same grasp. So here we are, option 1 and option 2. Which end shows the lower shank more parallel to the long axis of the tooth? Number 1, number 2. Number 1 is correct. Number 2, you can see, is perpendicular to the long axis of the tooth.